guys, today's topic is about a mini roundabout. Let's talk about the signs you will find while approaching mini roundabout. A blue circle and a red triangle. The blue circle is located very close to the mini roundabout. It just tells you that there is a mini roundabout ahead of you. But a red triangle gives you warning and you find it in a far distance of mini roundabout before you reach it. And now let's talk about a priority. We always give way for any vehicle enters roundabout from your right hand side. So let's make it simple. Look at this picture. On the left you have picture of a steering wheel with both hands on it. On the left hand it's written they stay, on the right hand it's written they go. So traffic from the left should stay for you, but traffic on the right, you should stay for them, so they have full priority over you. Now see the picture of the mini roundabout divided with a red line. So on the left side of this line you have a vehicle with the C letter which doesn't have any priority over you. They have to wait for you so you can leave the roundabout before them. But on the right side of the line you have vehicle with the A letter and B letter. You should take care of both of them because they have full priority over you, but if their directions are different, so you can leave the roundabout. For example, if the vehicle with the A letter doesn't have any signal, which means they go straight ahead. So sometimes they just forget the signal. Be careful to watch carefully with their positioning as well. So you can leave if they are not coming to you. If they have a left signal on, again, they are not coming to you, so you can leave the roundabout before them. But if their right signal is on, which means they are coming to you, so you have to wait until they finish their turn. Now let's talk about the traffic with the B letter. So they have full priority over you, and sometimes they are not visible until you reach the final junction line. So be careful with them. In one condition, you can leave the roundabout before them if they have a left signal on. Now let's talk about a preparation, positioning and turning left. For preparation, we need to do MSPSL, mirror signal position speed log 5 car length before reaching the junction line. Now what's junction line? As you see in this picture, junction line is pointed with a white line to you. This is the line that we will stop on it if roundabout is busy. Otherwise we don't need stopping at the roundabout if roundabout is clear to keep the flow of traffic. Now how to turn left? So 5 car length before reaching the junction line, check your interior mirror, left door mirror for any cyclist passing you by, then signal left, position normal driving position, which means middle of your own lane, slow down, look for traffic on the right side of the roundabout. If it is clear, start your turn. Now watch this video to see the procedure of turning left. Now, how to go straight ahead or cross the roundabout. We need to start MSPSL 5 car length before reaching the junction line, but we can skip the signal part of the MSPSL. Why? Because if we apply signal, we mislead traffic behind and they think we are turning left. So have to wait for the first exit to finish. But even after we finish first exit, we don't need to apply left signal, because from junction line to our exit we have less space to drive. As soon as we finish first exit, front part of our car already enters the second exit, means we don't have time to apply the signal, or we don't need to apply the signal. This rule applies for mini roundabout only. For bigger roundabouts the rule is different. Also about the positioning, be careful. Some of the mini roundabouts they have multiple lanes on approach. Left lane is the most suitable one to take, but you have to see direction arrows to tell you how to position correctly. So the steps now. 5 car length before reaching the junction line, check your interior mirror, left door mirror, do not apply the signal, position normal driving position means middle of your own lane, slow down, check for traffic on the right. If roundabout is clear, leave the roundabout. Now watch this video to see the procedure. How to turn right. 5 car length before the junction line, MSPSL applies. If you have multiple lines on approach, be careful to watch for direction arrows to position correctly if only one lane is presented, so start your routine as below. 5 colon before junction line, check your interior mirror, right door mirror for any vehicle, especially bikers, for overtaking, signal right, then position close to center line, which means right side of your own lane, then check for right side traffic. If roundabout is clear, start your turn. Mostly, you need 1 hour steering movement around the white circle on the road. Make sure you don't go above white circle. Plus, take care of the car waiting to enter roundabout from road ahead. Now watch this video to see the procedure of turning right. In some places, you will find double mini roundabouts close to each other. You will find this sign on approach of them. We need to deal with both roundabouts separately, which means twice we need MSPSL, especially priority should be given twice if dealing with both of these mini roundabouts. But if we turn left with first roundabout, then only one roundabout you need to pass, nothing to do with second one. Now look at this picture. You have 2 mini roundabouts ahead of you. The sign you see is a blue circle and a red triangle, which gives you warning. If you are dealing with the first roundabout only, it means if you are turning left, so you only do once MSPSL and you leave the roundabout. But if you are turning right with the first one, which means you're going to deal with both mini roundabouts, so twice you do MSPSL and twice you give priority for traffic on the right hand side. Now look at this picture. The blue vehicle has already passed one of the roundabout, and now it's waiting for the second roundabout to be safe because the green vehicle is turning right. That's why the blue vehicle needs to wait for green vehicle and leave a roundabout. But if I'm talking about a green vehicle, it's only dealing with one of the mini roundabouts, so only once it gives a priority from the right hand side. Look at this picture. I will show you the process of going straight ahead while passing 2 mini roundabouts. As you can see, small dot in the middle of a screen, so this is my position where I start and passing 2 mini roundabouts. So for the first mini roundabout, I need to do my MSPSL separately, and for second one separately. So for the first mini roundabout where I am turning right at the moment, I check my interior mirror, right door mirror, I will signal right, and then I'll position more to the center of my own lane. And if the roundabout is clear, I leave roundabout and start my turning. As soon as I start my turning, I will come across with a second mini roundabout where if it is busy, I need to stop my car completely, wait for the roundabout to be clear, and then I can leave a roundabout. But if roundabout is clear totally, I don't need that stopping. I check my left door mirror and then apply left signal, then leave a roundabout. Okay guys, that was it for today. Hope you like it. If you would like to see more of my videos, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.